Welcome back to the shop, guys. Welcome back to Work Guitars.
Only you, babe. Only you.
It just occurred to me earlier today that I've never introduced you people out there to these people right here. This is Steve Stevens, and this is Stephen Weaver. I don't know if you know them or not, but
I thought they knew who we were.
good man. Well, there may be some people out there that don't know you.
Collectively, we're known in the shop as Steve.
Steve. The
So
Steves.
if you hear, damn it, Steve, we just both shake our heads.
So anyway, welcome back to the shop.
Point like that.
We got Ethan guitar. Ethan
Oh, yeah, how
guitars.
about I show him the guitar?
Ethan Gardner's guitar ready finally. Ethan has been very patient, as you all are, waiting for your guitars, and she is ready to rock. Great sounding guitar.
She's already rocking.
She's already rocking. So I guess you want to go through the specs on this, Steve?
Dude, so if those of you that know my heart, you know that a humbucker size P90 in the front of a Telly is the coolest thing that ever happened. I'd never heard this pickup or even of this pickup before. This is the bare knuckles supermassive P90, and it really is. That's why I started where I did. It's just that huge, right? That's fantastic. And it's a really good pickup, and it's really got me second guessing. I've got like a Seymour Duncan Fat Cat in one.
Yeah.
I've got the Gibson P94R in one. I don't know which one of those I like better.
Right.
I think if I had to choose the best one, I would say this one, and I just need to buy two and put them in those guitars.
I'm pretty much sold on that one myself.
This is pretty great. And in the back of this, Blackhawk.
It's the Blackhawk,
Bare
yes.
Knuckles Blackhawk, which is
That's
definitely
correct, yes.
more rock and roll.
Yes.
Yeah,
That thing
it's
sounds
awesome.
pretty wicked too, man. Without a doubt.
Dude.
We also have a very cool thing on this guitar, which is which I showed on the video before this one, but in case you haven't seen that one, it's the Futone or FU-Tone company's. It's called a PMS, Pickup Mounting System, and essentially it is brass bar that is machined to fit inside the pickup cavity, and it's all threaded and everything for the pickup screws. So the brass bar is holding the pickup in place underneath a direct mount pickup system, and so you get that super hard depth of a direct mounted pickup right into the body of a guitar, and it works extremely well. I like it a lot. I'm gonna definitely do it again on some builds in the future. Let's see what else. In case you haven't ever used any Futone stuff, man, I definitely highly recommend it. They make great Floyd Rose style bridges, and all of the parts that you can put on Floyd Rose style bridges, titanium saddles and screws and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, they make great stuff. And these pickups, man, they're an apple.
They sound great.
Wow.
Incredible.
Pretty thick.
Also, before we even do the flyby or anything, something else that's really kind of spectacular about this guitar, just to me, there's a lot of things. You do a lot of great stuff with these. There's kind of a gun oil back. I wouldn't call it satin. Higher than satin, lower than gloss.
Right.
It's really nice, and then the top is a high gloss top.
That's a hand
Very
rubbed,
nice.
hand rubbed finish on the back, and then on the front, I just let the oil dry without rubbing it out so that it glosses up.
Yeah.
It's got about 10, 12 coats on it.
Really, really cool.
And on this one, we also did me and Steve did the grain fill with the Goodfilla oil combo. Man, it works great. We did that on the next guitar coming up to the white guitar for my buddy Travis Gates. And that one, and man, that grain filler works great if you haven't tried it yet. If you build guitars, you ought to give it a shot.
Or anything that you would finish nicely.
Or anything that you want a nice finish like that, yeah, for sure.
Another thing that's fairly new in the world of Worth guitars, the neck heel on this is blisteringly cool.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, that is so well done, and I'll show it the best I can. But as I'm holding it here,
yeah, it's clean. We got our inline 6 neck, and I went ahead and did the slant back style neck instead of the flat one like the Fender style. I like that style better than the Fender style, so I'll probably be doing those on all of the inline 6 necks. Unless you request something else.
On this is, like I said, we'll get to this on the flyby, but there's no ferrules in the back of this. This is a nice chunk
Nice
grounding your sound.
5/8 inch deep by a 1/2 inch thick chunk of aluminum in there your strings go through. So you're also getting that ground into the body, not just a little ferrule.
So you get the benefit of a block like
Yeah.
you would on a Strat style guitar.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Yes, the ultimate sustain machine.
Let's fly this by. Would,
All right,
would you
fly.
be so kind as
Fly
to
on.
pull that? Just pull the cable if you want, and we'll do that.
Right on.
Sir, look,
Hold this.
I got to come down out of the tree. I've been baking cookies all day.
Need this?
No, okay.
Okay, just checking.
Be nice.
You got
I'm
hurt.
trying to be nice.
did.
I was trying to be nice.
Okay.
That's what I was doing.
So we'll start with the headstock as we do our wonderful flyby here.
All Claro walnut on
Yeah,
that.
trying to get the best.
Got
shot.
Claro walnut head plate and a Claro walnut body cap. And of course, we're using the hip shot tuners. We didn't use the open gear on these because they're slightly too big for that style headstock. So we used that one. Those closed up locking tuners, they're still locking tuners, so still very nice tuners. And we have a laminated maple and purple heart neck with an Indian rosewood fretboard, abalone inlay, and of course the glow in the dark side dot.
Favorite dots in the world. They sing.
Those things are badass. They are.
Okay, so now as we come into the important stuff here,
The Claro
try to
walnut,
get a good look at that top. Oh yeah, look at that. There's a good look at the top.
that's pretty stuff.
Yeah, really.
That
is.
Claro
gorgeous.
walnut is just beautiful.
And you know, the black hardware on is really. I love that natural,
Yeah.
good-looking piece of wood with black hardware. Looks so great.
It does.
And look at that P90, guys. That is just. I mean, that's a rat rod, isn't it?
The super massive. That thing is thick sounding too.
Bridge.
And we have a hip shot hardtail bridge, volume tone and three-way switch.
Tone, three-way switch. Oh, there's a jack on this one too. That's important stuff.
Yeah.
And so let's get to the back of this real quick. Look at that block, so you can kind of see that.
Yeah. That adds to the tone as
Nice
well.
solid chunk of aluminum. Now, if I can make this heel, see, you can kind of see, okay, see that curve in it where it's beveled in? Can you guys see that out there in TV land? I hope so. When you get here to the heel, I'm going to try to get every angle. Here you go. Look at that angle there. You can kind of see what that heel's doing. And we get it just right. Okay, where it's beveled in. Man, it doesn't look like much on the camera, but it's really comfortable
world of
right in
difference.
here. It does. It really does. See if I can bring it up and make it more visible. Anyway,
Got
that,
a modern C neck, thin, nice, fast modern C neck on there.
Yeah.
Nice African mahogany back. Let me see that wood again, man.
I didn't even do the back for real.
You haven't.
You
Look,
know?
at that. Look how pretty that
Let's make
is.
it look upright there. So it looks
Got a
like-
little what they call beehive grain in it. Very nice. Pretty stuff that mahogany is.
Comes
man.
with the aging breakfast burrito belly cut.
breakfast burrito cut.
Steve's laughing way too hard at that.
And we always use the Jim Dunlop locking strap locks because they work really well. I've never had one fail me.
It's a beauty.
And there she is. That's it. Ethan, congratulations, man.
Okay, now I'll climb back up in my perch. Oh,
Plug her in there, buddy.
plug it in, plug it in.
Let's hear what she sounds like.
Practice.
That's good. That's good.
Sounds really good is what it sounds like. It's crazy to me. Yeah, badass. Plays fast too. It's gonna it's a little quicker bigger than I'm used to.
Yeah.
You know, I play things that fight back most of the time.
Nice low action, stainless steel frets, jumbo stainless steel. Nice. 25.5-inch scale, 24 fret. I believe we covered all the bases on that.
Yeah, it's a rocker.
Nice.
But it's also got that whole,
Yeah,
you know, looking at Jimi Hendrix on the wall over here,
Yeah.
kind of makes you want to go. Yeah, beauty.
Yeah, man. So that's it, Ethan. There she is. It's coming your way. We'll be sending this bad boy out to Ohio this week. Got you a nice case over there, a nice tweed case for her to fit in. And man, I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed building it and playing it. I've been playing it in here when nobody was looking. And man, I like it. I'd like to have one just like it. All right,
I
that's
know
all
where
I
you
got.
could get one.
I think I could probably come up with one. So we got a bunch of cool builds coming up, man. So thanks for watching. We're almost to 500. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe, just like everybody on YouTube says. But yeah, that's be very cool if you would. And I think that's all I got. Other than get out and see some live bands, go out there and see your friends and support those musicians out there. They're trying to make a living and doing the best they can. All right,
Yes, sir.
right on.
Right on.
Is that all? All right. We'll see you guys out there. Be good to each other. Bye now. Worth Guitars.